We are Team Kalki, and here we present a project Mandamus. Mandamus is a platform which makes the entire Indian judicial system process easy. So let's log in as judge. The admin is the person who will distribute the cases to both judge and users, and the cases that are distributed by the admin will be visible in the judge dashboard. This is the judge dashboard where you can see all the cases that has been distributed by the admin that will have hearing today. This document is very huge. You click on summarize this case, the system will summarize that for you under 30 seconds, so that judge can have an unbiased vision on this particular case. And when you click on view result, you can see what particular summary it has done, and it gives evidence pipeline, it gives media engine, whether it is worth to go to the court or not, and portfolio index. When you click on find similar precedents, the system will find the top 3 similar matching judgments that has been given in past 3 years, and then you can filter it code wise, and you can just see one more also then using draft generator. So draft generator, it acts as a reference for the judge to give the judgment. Instead of writing manually and spending so much of time, you can just see here, but still the judge can edit if he feels that this is not something which is right. Like I just remove this line and see whether it's working or not. You click purview render, go to the activity logs and check the user edits. You can see the changes that I have made. You need to restore this version, then go and approve this particular draft. Once you approve the draft, you will be redirected to the scheduling. Here the system will schedule a meet. When you click on approve and dispatch notices, which will again further take you to the virtual hearing feature. So here the judge or the lawyer or the custody officer, they will log in to the hearing. When you click on start hearing, you will need to proceed with verification. First facial verification, and then the voice authentication. You need to click on scan, hello, and then you need to click on the OTP which will be sent to your mail. I directly enter the OTP I have got in my phone, and just click enter the wait room, and here you need to start the judicial session, and there will be a secret code and link which will be given to the lawyer and the custody officer to join. And what we speak, those transcripts will be recorded here, and you can download those transcripts. When you click on end session, the session ends, and you can download the transcript, and also you can see what and all the listenings has been made. Next is the legal counsel. We have another row that is legal counsel and custody mode, which is very similar to this, but features are same, but the access is different. When you click on citizen portal, you will enter into citizen mode where you can ask any question, any legal question regarding your problem. We have integrated language also here. Let's use voice assistant. मुझे एक केस फाइल करना है, कैसा करना है? And this particular AI will give you the response in your particular regional language only. You can see here, it is responding in Hindi only with applicable laws, your rights, step-by-step procedures, everything. And when you click on stop here, it actually stops telling for you. You can actually listen to the audio also, and then you can head over to the silent justice section. This is for those users who have strong evidence but still fear to file their case directly in the police station. Let us take an example of harassment, and then you just need to upload one particular evidence that you have. You can just include any of the evidence, a photo or a video, anything. You can just secure them. Now your evidence will be encrypted in our platform, and you can proceed with the encryption. Then you'll get a secret code where your evidence will be encrypted, and then you will be connected to any helplines, NGOs, Bangalore Police, National Police Support, like this. Then you log out. This is all about our project Mandamus, which makes the judicial system process easy. We don't replace judge, we just assist the judge. Thank you.